What's up, guys? Cooking with CJ here. Listen, I just wanted to kind of come on and do a quick video on the state of things in the world of America, California. It's scary times out there. I think scary times bring out some of the best in people. Obviously, it brings out some of the worst in people. But this is a time when we can step up and help your brother, help your neighbor, help your sister. Gotta focus on the positives for sure. First, take a minute to breathe, okay? Social distancing sucks. Being stuck in the house sucks. It does. The kids being at home all day, it sucks. Luckily, I'm able to work from home. Mrs. CJ's able to work from home. But, the kids are here. We gotta help homeschool them. It's a tough time. But as we all come together, we can all get through it together. It's not impossible. This is what Americans do. They step up when the face of bad times, and we beat it down. So try to think of it that way. It's a challenge. We need to step up. We need to be positive. We need to be diligent. Washing your hands, disinfect your house. You don't need 14,000 rolls of toilet paper. It's going to do absolutely nothing to keep the virus away, okay? One thing we need to make sure we do is help those who can't help themselves. A case in point, Mrs. CJ's grandmother can't get around too well, and we went to the grocery store for her. We bought just little bitty essentials. She's a little bitty old lady. She don't need much, but we brought her three or four different bags of groceries, little things she might need. That's something that we all need to do. We need to look out for the people that can't look out for themselves right now. Obviously, the elderly population is more affected by this than, say, our generation or the younger, the millennials out there or whatever. So we need to make sure they don't go out, they don't get in touch with anybody, but we need to take care of them. We can't just leave them in their houses, all right? So keep that in mind. I don't know what else to say, but I felt like I needed to get on and say something, all right? There's enough people following me, and feel free to share this if you want. I don't care. This isn't for views. This isn't for subscribers. This isn't for anything. I just felt like I needed to come on and express my thoughts. I'm big on saying things how I feel like they are, and I don't like holding things in. So what I'm doing now is just sharing my thoughts and concerns. I feel like the media is exploding this. Personally, I feel like they're not saying the good things that are happening. I feel like it's more just constant virus coverage. Okay, I think a lot of good things are happening through this. I think it's going to open a lot of eyes that what could go down in the future. How we can fix things. I think one of the things we could do is help small businesses out. We can't go out to restaurants and sit in the dining rooms, but we can still go to order takeout. So think about that. Order takeout from your favorite restaurants and bring it home. It doesn't take much. That'll help people stay in biz a little bit longer. Guys, I am no expert on any of this stuff. I just felt like I needed to come on and say something, say something from the heart. I wish the best for everybody out there. Listen, guys, if you pray, man, pray for the country, pray for the world, pray for family, pray for, I hate to say it, but pray for our president, I'm not a huge fan, but it looks like things, people are doing what they're supposed to be doing and helping out America and the world. So pray. If you pray for all of that. If you don't pray, man, just throw out them good vibes. I'm just as scared as everybody else. It's some crazy stuff. I want to know that my family's gonna be safe. I'm the big dog. I'll take care of the family. I'm gonna do everything on my part to keep them safe and keep them fed. People can get water out of the faucets, and most of us in our generations grew up drinking water out of a hose. So guys, you can do that too. I feel like this is a bit of a rambling on kind of video, but I just felt like I needed to get on here and say something. Alright guys, I think that's it. keep up the positivity. Keep taking care of each other. Help your brother out. Help your neighbor out. Whatever it takes. Know that we're all in this together. Just keep positive. Keep a smile on your face. Keep a shot of whiskey or a bottle of wine next to you if you're dealing with the kids at home. I know that can be a little bit hard. We'll get through it. Good things will happen on the outside of this. Okay, that's it. I hope I don't know what I hope from this. Take care, guys. Thanks for stopping by.